In today's digital age, managing documents efficiently is crucial for professionals across various fields. While many tools cater to specific tasks like video editing, coding, or e-commerce, there's a universal need for a comprehensive PDF solution. PDFs are everywhere. From assignments and contracts to reports and ebooks, we deal with PDFs daily. But let's be honest, editing them, that's a nightmare. Most tools are either too expensive, too complicated, or just don't do the job right. But don't worry, in today's video, I've got the perfect solution for you. Wondershare PDFelement, a game-changing tool that makes working with PDFs effortless. Whether you're a student trying to edit lecture notes, a business professional handling important documents, or a content creator designing portfolios, this tool will make your life so much easier. With PDFelement, you can edit, convert, sign, annotate, and even compress PDFs, all in just a few clicks. It also comes with AI-powered features, making document editing faster and smarter than ever before. Gone are the days of struggling with clunky PDF software or paying hefty fees for simple edits. If you've ever had to copy-paste text from a PDF or manually fill out forms, you know the struggle. But with PDFelement, you get full control over your PDFs without any hassle. In this video, I'll show you exactly how PDFelement works and why it's one of the best PDF editors out there. So if you're ready to save time and effort, stick around because this tool is going to change the way you work with PDFs forever. Before we get started, we need to download this software, and the process is super easy. You can get it by visiting the official Wondershare PDFelement website or simply clicking the link in the description below. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected to the official download page. Once you're on the website, look for the button that says Free Download. Clicking this will initiate the download process automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it should only take a few moments. After the download is complete, go ahead and install the software by following the simple on-screen instructions. Once the installation is finished, launch PDFelement 10, and you'll see an interface that looks like this. At the very top of the interface, you'll notice a set of tools. These tools allow you to efficiently start working on PDFs right away without any hassle. First, we have the Edit PDF option, which lets you modify text, images, and other elements easily. Next is Convert to PDF, allowing you to convert Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files into PDFs and vice versa. Then comes OCR PDF, which extracts text from scanned documents, making them editable and searchable. Lastly, there's Summarize PDF, an AI-powered tool that quickly generates key takeaways from lengthy documents. To edit a PDF, simply drag and drop your file into the software and it's ready for customization. You'll see a top bar with various tools to edit your document. The Edit All option lets you modify text and images, while Add Text allows you to insert new content. The OCR feature converts scanned images into editable text, and Crop helps adjust page size. You can use Search to find specific words instantly, and the More option provides additional features. Lastly, the Template and AI Assistant options offer ready-made designs and AI-powered assistance for easier editing. Let's explore these features by editing the PDF. If you want to remove an existing image, simply click on it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. To add a new image, click on the Image option in the top bar, and a drop-down will appear with two options: Add Image and Generate Image. The Add Image option allows you to upload an image from your computer, while the Generate Image option uses AI to create an image for you. To add an image from your computer, click Add Image. Select the image file and then right-click on the PDF where you want to place it. On the right corner, you'll find the Properties option. Clicking on this icon opens a panel where you can rotate, crop, mirror, and align images with precision. There's also an opacity slider that allows you to adjust the transparency of the image as needed. Next to the Image tool, there's the Watermark tool. With this, you can add, upload, delete, or even choose a watermark from a template. Clicking on Add from Template reveals two default templates, but you also have the option to create a custom watermark. Simply enter your watermark text, and below that, you'll find customization settings to change color, font, opacity, bold, underline, and more. You can also control the watermark's transparency using the opacity slider below. Next to the Watermark tool, you'll find the background option, which works similarly. It allows you to upload a background from your computer or choose from pre-designed templates. Simply click on Add from Template, and with just one click, you can replace the background of your PDF pages effortlessly. After the Edit section, there is the Comments section, which allows you to annotate and highlight important parts of the PDF. You can select any text and apply different markups like strikeout, underline, or a wavy line to emphasize key points. These tools are useful for reviewing and editing documents efficiently. Next, there is the Shapes tool, where you can add rectangles, circles, and arrows to highlight or point out specific details in the document. This is particularly helpful for making notes or drawing attention to certain sections. Following that, we have the Stamp tool, which includes various categories such as standard business stamps, sign here stamps, dynamic stamps, and digital stamps. These are especially useful for approvals, indicating review status, or marking documents as confidential, urgent, or paid. You can also highlight text to make it stand out and enhance readability. One of the most important features here is the Signature tool, which is essential for signing agreements or official documents. With this tool, you can create a signature in 3 ways: by typing, drawing, or uploading an image from your computer. This ensures flexibility in adding signatures to PDFs while maintaining a professional and legally accepted format. One of the most powerful and useful features in Wondershare PDFelement is OCR. If your PDF contains an image with text, editing that text might seem impossible, but with OCR, you can convert images into fully editable text in just a few clicks. Simply select the image, click on OCR, and let the tool process it. Within a few seconds, the image text will be converted into customizable, editable text. Now you can modify, delete, change the font, color, and size just like regular text. This feature is a game changer for working with scanned documents and image-based PDFs. Next is the View tab, where you can customize the display for a more professional look. Then comes the Organize tab, allowing you to extract, split, insert, delete, rotate, and rearrange pages with ease. On the right corner, you'll find some of the most advanced AI-powered features in this software: AI Chat, AI Translate, and AI Grammar Check, each designed to enhance your document workflow. Starting with AI Chat, this feature allows you to interact with an AI chatbot for instant assistance. Whether you need explanations, summaries, or help with PDF-related queries, this chatbot is there to assist. One of its most powerful tools is the Summarize PDF option. If you have a lengthy document and need key points quickly, just click the button, and within moments, boom, a concise and well-structured summary appears, saving you valuable time. Next, we have the AI Translate tool, which is very helpful if you are working with documents in different languages. Whether it is study material, business papers, or official documents, this feature makes translation easy. To use it, just select any text in your PDF and the software will automatically find out its language. After that, you can choose from many different languages to translate it quickly. This is useful for students, professionals, and business people who need to work with content in different languages. The best thing is that everything happens inside the software, so you don't need to copy and paste the text into another translator. After that, on the top, there is a Convert Tool option, which allows you to easily change your PDF into Word, Excel, or PPT with just one click. If you want to convert your PDF into PowerPoint, PPT, simply click onto PPT, and within a few moments, your PDF will be converted into an editable PowerPoint presentation. This feature is especially helpful for creating professional presentations from reports, research papers, or other documents without manually copying content. Once you have finished editing your PDF and are ready to share it, simply click on the Share button located at the top right corner. Here, you have multiple options to send your document effortlessly. You can email it directly to your client, generate a shareable link, or even create a QR code that they can scan to access the file instantly. This makes collaboration and document sharing quick and hassle-free. And that's it. Wondershare PDFelement is truly a powerful all-in-one PDF solution that makes editing, converting, and managing PDFs effortless. Whether you're a student, professional, or business owner, this tool can save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on more tech tutorials and productivity tips. You can download Wondershare PDFelement using the link in the description and try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.